Leader accessories pop-up Canopy Tent 10, x10, Canopy Instant Canopy Shelter Straight Leg including wheeled carry bag gray. 10 by 10 Instant Canopy Tent provides a true 100 square feet of cooling shade for your commercial or recreational use. Fully assembled one-piece frame set up in 1 minute, no tools needed. 10, x10, x111, center height. Assembled size with 3 height settings. Structured with powder-coated steel frame and fully silver back-coated UPF 50 plus UV protection fabric. Sturdy, reliable and durable canopy with windproof guide-outs for more security. Carry-on friendly bag with structured wheel and leather handles for easy transport. Air vents for additional circulation. 1-year warranty. Leader accessories 10 by 10 Instant Canopy Tent Dark Gray. Asterisk material. Powder-coated rust-resistant steel frame and fully silver back-coated UPF 50 plus UV protection durable 210D polyester. Asterisk measurements. Assembled size 10 x 10 x 111. Packed size 49 inches by 8 inches by 9 inches. Use. Perfect for commercial or recreational use, such as outdoor and sporting events, backyard parties and the beach. Optional sidewalls are provided for more cooler area. Canopy tent features. Straight leg design provides a true 100 square feet of cooling shade. Fully assembled one-piece frame set up in 1 minute. Unpack, unfold, extend, attach canopy top. No tools needed. There are 3 height settings: 77 inches, 93 inches and 111. Well-built frame and fabric, much more heavier than general canopy, sturdy, reliable and durable with windproof guide-outs. Air vents for additional circulation. Carry-on friendly bag with structured wheel and leather handles for easy transport. Canopy contents. 1x folding steel frame. 1x canopy top. 8x steel stakes. 4x adjustable pull strings. 1x wheeled carry bag.